For a lot of traders, Friday is their least favorite day of the week because there is no stock market tomorrow. But what I'll do is I will go back and look through the week, look at some stocks that you requested, and go over some analysis to figure out what the stocks have been doing and what they might do going forward, looking at candlestick sentiment. Let's dive in and check out this free real-life stock review presented by your humble host, Jeremy Alexander Newsom. Let's dive in. Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's your boy Jeremy Alexander Newsom with reallifetrading.com, and we got ourselves a beautiful stock market review for today. The SPY doing its thing, making a new high, bullish gap and go. Look at this 5-minute candle on the SPY. I mean, how beautiful is this? So we open, we gap up, we trade down a little bit, we throw in a perfect high wave candle, entry, stop loss, goodbye. Very nice little bullish move on the SPY. Good bullish gap and go. The trend is still intact. So I think probably what happens from here is we get up to about the 283 marker on the SPY, and that's where a bunch of newbies will go on bullish, and then we'll have a little bit of a pullback. But most likely, I think we're just going to trade sideways, for about 3 or 4 months. We're just going to really be sideways for a while on the SPY, most likely what happens. Bottom line, folks, a very profitable day out there for most traders. Look at my boy Bob, 26.5 Rs for the month of February. Also want to give out a shout out to my good buddy Clive Higgins, who joined Real Life Trading back in the free week and is up over 10 Rs in the month of February. Roku was the gap of the day. This bad boy was an absolute animal. Again, how would you like to have been in the trading room this morning when your boy Jay Newsom throws out this bad boy? Look at this, 8:30. We're talking market open. Roku, 55.37 limit buy by 53.99. Whoo! And check out the notes. My boy Arabia, Clive getting 2 Rs, Zaid getting 2 Rs, Keith making 0.7. My boy Mark Rockwood got 2.5 Rs. Just a gorgeous gap, a phenomenal bullish gap and go. This was the gap of the day. And I also did a closing contest on Roku for some traders, and I said, hey, anyone who gets the price exactly correct gets a free Roku device from Real Life Trading. Unfortunately, no one won, but that's absolutely okay. I mean, it was, it's always fun to have those, but amazing, amazing trend. If anyone wants to back trade a perfect gap and go, feel free to back trade Roku, or you can back trade IQ, another amazing bullish gap and go. So solid, so many good entries. Today was like Christmas in February. The Trade Desk, amazing gap. Wayfair, amazing gap. So strong. Zillow, absolutely gorgeous town. Kraft Heinz, we got a profitable fade. That's right, we actually made bullish money on Kraft Heinz today. Here's the 5-minute chart, and we played this little pop right here, bullish with a stop down there, and made a little bit of money. Nothing crazy, like 0.7 Rs or so, but Kraft Heinz, that was still a nice move. And then you got STMP, STMP. This thing just got absolutely obliterated. My boy John D bought puts yesterday as an earnings play on STMP and made over 60 Rs on stamps.com. John D, congratulations, man. Very proud of you. Alibaba was an incredible gap this morning. Just so much goodness. Oh, boy. FYI, bought to close this GoDaddy put sale on GDDY, the $55 put sale. Bought to close that one. Here's IDEX. Had a trader asking about this one. And I will be keeping an eye on this one, even though the volume is pretty low. I do like this little volume breakout. I like the pennant pattern. Looks really good. Going to be keeping my eyes. A little bit of a cheaper, shorter float stock, but with the right risk mitigation, could still make magic on that one. And then my boy Andrew played JDST. Looking at playing this one. This was a retest gap the last 2 days. White candle gapping up. Today was the retest. Feel free to watch. If we do, in fact, break higher on Monday, that bad boy can start rocking and rolling. Folks, so much goodness today. Thank you for all the traders who were a part of the Real Life Trading Room. It was absolutely sensational. One of the best months of the year. February. March, right around the corner. Folks, I'll see you then, and until then, love life, and trade it. I'll see you next week. Bye.